Hello guys, today I'm gonna make a experimental video test about instant yeast. I'm gonna pour it into 3 different water: cold, warm and hot water. The cold one. This is for the hot one, hot water. And this one for the warm water. Okay, this is for the cold one after 5 minutes. This is the warm water, and this is for the hot water after 5 minutes. Okay, this is yeast after 20 minutes. This is for the cold water, this is warm water, and this is hot water. Okay, this is the yeast after 30 minutes. This is for the cold water, this is for the warm water, and this is for the hot water. Okay, this is the yeast after 1 hour 20 minutes. This is for the cold water, and this is for the warm water, and this is for the hot water. One without sugar and this one with sugar. Combine it with the soft instant yeast. First I'm gonna pour one spoon of sugar. Okay, after the water is clear, okay, it's finished. This one is without sugar, and this one with sugar, 1 spoon of sugar. And both I'm using this soft instant yeast. Okay, this one is after 4 minutes. Okay, this one is after 10 minutes.